Hey, what's up guys, JellyScrub here, and today is going to be a little bit of a different video. So while there's gameplay in the background, I'm not really going to be talking about this gameplay. Rather, I'm going to be talking about SUB4SUB. So if you don't really know what SUB4SUB is essentially you're asking someone to subscribe for you, and in return you will subscribe to them. So, but there are a whole stash and multiple reasons why you really don't want to do this, and hopefully this video was going to highlight some of them. So number one of this is you're going to get inactive subscribers. So what that means is just because someone's subscribed to you definitely doesn't mean that they're going to watch your videos. And you might like, oh look, now I've got an extra 10 subscribers, but are you actually going to get 10 more views? I know I personally would definitely rather one active sub over 100 inactive subs. And so that kind of rolls into the second point as well. It kind of just looks stupid. If you have over like 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel, but you've only got 20 views, that kind of looks bad, and that's because you've got these inactive subs. So they're the people that are just have subscribed to your channel, but definitely aren't watching your videos. And this may sound, I don't know, kind of cruel, but it is very real. It kind of proves that you kind of can't make quality content and get your subs naturally, because if you've got this ratio of subs that are really high to your amount of views, it shows you've done sub, and it shows that you've had to take that route because you can't get the views just naturally as other people have done. And also point 3, it's kind of just downright annoying. So especially I've had it happen a lot on my channel over the past couple of years, is when you get a new comment in your video, you think, oh wow, someone's actually interested in my content and is engaging with me, and they want to keep watching. And then you actually go load up the comment and it's like, hey guys, yeah, totally, I absolutely love your content. This is just copy and pasted from 100 other videos that I've posted this on, and yeah, check me out, sub to me, and yeah, I'll totally subscribe to you back. It's just downright annoying, and like, honestly, I just delete all those comments. Like, if you're not bringing anything to the channel, I don't want you kind of around. And yeah, it sounds harsh, but it's true. But I do have some suggestions that can help you out, because having said all those things, it is important to put your name out there to get the ball rolling, so you do start to pick up some traction. But you want to do it in ways that aren't intruding on other people's comment sections, and you're not going to get inactive subs that don't actually contribute to your view count in your videos. So some of these suggestions include sending out private messages to channel creators and saying something like, oh hey, look, we've got similar content, do you and I actually genuinely really loved your videos, maybe we could check each other out, and it could work out. And also, if you guys really hit it off together, because you're producing similar content, maybe you've got similar sub counts, or one of you's got a little bit more, perhaps you could do collabs, because that's a really good way of getting subscribers from one channel to find out your channel, and then you can sub, and you're almost sharing subscribers in a way, which is really important. And because that can also give you active subscribers, because if you're in a collab in a video together, then and the subscribers to the other channel really genuinely like you, they will go over and subscribe to you, and that's a lot better because they actually like you rather than just random people from across the internet trying to increase their sub count. Also, you can go to forums like Reddit, go to subreddits that are designed for posting and sharing videos about that you create, and that can be a good way that people, like-minded individuals, find each other's videos and support each other. You can also tell your friends about your channel as well. That's a really good way of getting some subscribers up, and if they enjoy what you're producing like other people's will, then that's a really good way to kick off your subscriber count. And lastly, you want to make your video searchable. So you want to increase your search engine optimization. I will have a video coming out in the near future going into more detail about this. But basically, what it means is you want to be able to get your video higher into the search results. So that way, when people are searching for interesting things, you'll be able to grab some of those people that are coming along. And if they enjoy your content, maybe they'll stick around and subscribe. And also, again, they'll get your views up. And so a part of this whole searchable thing as well is SUB4SUB actually negatively affects your search results, because you're having if you've got you got 3,000 subscribers, but YouTube can see that you're only getting 4 views per video. They know you've done sub for sub, and that's not what YouTube's they're like. They'll see your channel and like, yeah, this channel seems kind of iffy. He's either done sub for sub, or maybe he's gone out of his way and bought subscribers, which is a real big no-no. And yeah, so then they'll just kind of tuck your channel off into the corner, and you may never really grow. So yeah, I kind of hope that it's helpful, that this just a little short chat about sub for subs. If you've enjoyed this, please give a like and subscribe. Genuinely subscribe. Don't just sub and comment sub for sub. Hey, look at me. Come and subscribe to my channel. But yeah, I hope this is, even though it's not one of my traditional gaming videos or tutorials, you can learn a little bit from it. So yeah, hopefully I'll see you all around. Stick around for that more in-depth search engine optimization video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one. Peace.